A cat eating a pigeon, a dead pigeon, in my backyard. That is freaky, what the hell. Either he's playing with it or he's doing something. No, I feel sorry for the pigeon. That is wrong. Oh shit.
Oh shit, man.
I think it's better zoom. Oh, it's a cannibal. That is disgusting.
Yeah.
Show the pigeon, you piece of shit. Is that some pigeon meat on its whisker? That's this wrong, man. Turn around. I would go out there and stop it. I didn't even know there was a bird out there. What the hell, man? I don't think it's eating it. I think it's just playing with it or something. I feel so sorry for the bird, man. Shit. Stupid chair getting in the way. I would go out there and move the chair, but frighten the cat away, so. Yeah, that's
It's a rat.
That's a pigeon, man. Shit.
That ain't a pigeon.
Stop stealing food. That is just so wrong. Did they do this? That's just not right.
How did they even die?
How did a pigeon get in my backyard anyways?
The backyard beach, the backyard beach.
I'm actually quite far away. It's just the zoom on this camera is good. Oh wait. Oh, he's manhandling it. Oh shit, it got pwned.
Oh,
Pigeon got pwned. Got pwned nicely.
I think it's gonna pee on it, man.
That's disgusting.
It's left it.
Oh well, there we go. It's coming back. Oh, anal rape.
This cat is pulling this noob.
Yep, it's pwning noobs. Okay.
It's no scoping.